Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a short video to show you how to create a clipping mask to add a picture inside one of these here. So let's say if you have the ellipse tool, the rectangle tool, I'm going to show you how to find your design, find your picture and add it on there so we can shape inside the tool here. Alright, so we have this rectangle tool. I want to make sure that the rectangle tool has no fill. We're just going to use the stroke for now so we can see where our image is. So the best place to find that image is Vecteezy, because Vecteezy is free, and if you need the image you just go and find your image. So let's say I want to find a picture of a squirrel, cute little squirrel. It's this one is free. You just need to download it and it'll show up under your thing. Free download, and it'll download in a few seconds. Let's go back into our place. Go place, Windows, place, and drag, and here we have our thing. So right now I just reminded myself we are going to use a square already. Let's not use a square. We can use, let's use our polygon tool to make it fancy. So I have my polygon tool right here and I want to add my squirrel. So I bring in my polygon. Alright, this is the image I'm trying to bring in. Alright, I just want to capture this part. I don't want to capture the entire thing. So make sure you drag and click everything. You select everything with your select tool. You right click and boom, I have a clipping mask. If you need to like change it up, change the spaces, and you say, hey, I don't want this side, I only want part of his face in this, you double click on the picture, you double click and it will show you the group here. You change and you change it up. If you just want to capture this side, and you change it up. So now you have your picture. If you need to make it bigger, you can. If you need to add anything extra, you can. I have another video to show you something basic that I created with this clipping mask tool. So this is just something quick to show you how to create a clipping mask in Illustrator. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe at the end to support my work. See you later, friends.